Come, let's go with function of SCADA system. In this system, having monitoring, alarm, control and indication of production automatic generation control, that's called AGC. Then data logging, data acquisition, control on off, rise lower and display. In this functions very important and essential for this SCADA is remote terminal unit. This remote terminal unit or special purpose computer with contain analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, digital input and output. The inputs and outputs are fully protected against spurious electrical transient or use may be either AC powered 120 by 230 volt or battery powered 12 volt 24 volt 48 volt 125 volt or 250 volt. Then it has the form of communication record for SCADA is a telemetry. The telemetry is the measurement of a quantity in such a way so as to allow interpretation of that measurement at a distance from the primary detector. The least wire means use of a standard telephone circuit. The RTU always capable to convey their a remote terminal unit. So always energy management is the process of monitoring, coordinating and controlling the generation, transmission, distribution of electrical energy. The physical plant to be managed include a generating plant that produce energy fed through transformers to the high voltage transmission network, that means grid, interconnecting generation plant and load center. Among those plantation, we have to monitor and give more importance to RTU. That RTU specially says security assessment power system or designed to survive all problems contingency. So it is one kind of important for this power plant. Next, challenges of SCADA system: ensuring availability of correct data and total observability of the power system in real time. Ensure foolproof safe system functionalities on 24/7 basis. Implementation of innovative techniques to ensure situational awareness for the grid operator. Utilization of utmost EMS functions to anticipate and analysis grid incidents. Growing network complexity need increased automation in grid operation. Then it has some new trends, that is PMU and WAMS system being planned to enhance utilization and greater stability of the power system network. High-speed communication networks coming up to ensure reliable and faster data in real time. Okay, innovative technique like contouring GSI based displays being introduced for improved situational awareness. Then web-based applications and service-oriented architecture being introduced. So these all are point coming under the new trends of SCADA system. Some other points also having for this new trends, and that points are: assess the impact of a set of contingency on the state of our system and identifies potentially harmful contingency that cause operating limit violation. Optimal power flow recommends controller action to optimize a specified objective function such as system operating cost or losses subject to a set of power system operating constraints. Security enhancement recommends corrective control action to be taken to alleviate an existing or potential overload in the system while ensuring minimal operational cost. Then calculate the impact on losses of the output unit were to be increased by 1 megawatt. Then short circuit analysis determines fault current for single phase and three phase faults for fault locations across the entire power system network. Same as the from the state of restorative state, the system may be brought back either to alert state or secure state. The latter is a slow process, hence in certain cases first the system is brought back to alert state and then to the secure state. This is done using restorative control action. And then increasingly open system coming up towards plug and play systems. The major thirst or green energy integration of renewable gaining huge importance. Achieved SCADA data getting high importance and known as state of the art technique. Development of intelligent EMS applications and its gaining momentum. This is state estimation. State estimation always obtain the best possible values of the bus voltage magnitudes and angles by processing the network data. Modification to account for the presence of noise use the method of least squared error estimation. Thank you.